Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
Hi, folks. I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
Together we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
Here's
I'm
Brad.
showing off my perfect
Yeah,
posture.
You're strutting. Okay, today we're talking about the single best back exercise for perfect posture.
That's right.
And what's cool about it is 3 positions, no equipment.
Exactly.
So you know what that means? No excuses.
No excuses and good posture. Say no more. You can't get any better. There's no giveaway.
No giveaway. It'll start again tomorrow. Go to bobandbrad.com and check it out. You'll find out. We'll be giving away something tomorrow.
Yep. Or go to Facebook.
It runs for a week.
Yeah.
Or Facebook.
Right. It's going to run.
Yeah.
Or you go to Facebook. And also, we want to mention we have podcasts out there right now. And didn't you just do one yesterday?
Guns ablazes. We did one on fascia.
Oh, the fascia related to pain. And
quite often it could be a source of your back pain.
Sure.
You want to watch it.
Yep.
And
you're going to watch a bad back?
You can watch it and listen to it. We'll make a video and a podcast.
All right. So this posture thing I thought about, and it's like, we're always talking about posture. We show different exercises, but what is the best exercise, the most versatile, and the one that strengthens the right muscles and stretches the right muscles? And I believe this is it. And what do you think?
I agree.
You concur.
If you say no equipment, I agree.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. And that was the thing. No equipment. You can do these. Usually one of the 3 equipment or one of the 3 positions anywhere.
Right.
Out in the park, in the office, in the gym, even in your boat. If you're out fishing.
In your boat?
Well, yeah.
You probably tip over and fall out.
Not my boat. Anyways, let's carry on. So lying down before you get out of bed, you can do it, or you can do it on the floor as well. And
now it's going to be easier if you have a pillow.
Right. You can
go like this or like this.
If you're younger, you probably won't care, but when you get older, it makes a difference.
So should I start?
Yeah, it's the same exercise in the 3 positions. You're going to extend one arm or shoulder and the opposite leg, and this strengthens these muscles across the back that are responsible for posture and get that perfect posture. And Bob's keeping his head up.
Would you say do for 10 seconds, Brad, or what do you?
Well, 5 to 10 seconds. If you start out and you haven't done these before, lying down like this, I think that's going to be a long time.
If you haven't done it before, you might even just start with arms, like one arm or one leg, and then work up to one arm, one leg.
Yeah, it is fairly aggressive. You do 5 reps and you'll be tired if you haven't done them before. You can work up to 10 reps holding, 5 to 10 seconds. Now,
a little more advanced would be quadruped.
Yep. Now, again, that's the same exercise, just a little bit different position. Opposite arm, opposite leg. And see how Bob's doing? He's keeping a nice straight back. He's tightening his stomach up right now to maintain that good core and that good, perfect posture.
This one's a little more difficult.
Look at this, Bob. You're doing wonderful. Look at that, straight as an arrow.
Now, we could add weights to this, too. You could add a weight to the arm,
right?
To the leg, if you wanted to.
Yep, that would be a little more advanced.
That would be more advanced.
Right, that would be for those real go-getters that are in shape and want to do more than they need to.
But I would say, pretty much it's universal. Most people could do this one.
Yeah.
Right? I mean,
as long as they tolerate getting on their hands and knees.
Or on their stomach.
Right.
And if they don't, we have another option.
Right. If you're older, weaker, you're just starting out, or again, you can do this in the office or anywhere as long as you have a wall. Come on over here, Tanner. We're going to bring your feet about this far apart. Don't get real close to the wall. A foot, 18 inches, maybe 19 inches away, whatever, just so you're comfortable.
Tuck your shirt in.
My shirt.
I'm sorry.
I'm looking like a pig.
Yeah, that's right.
Thanks, Bob. Well, my wife was out of town and she was not around to coach me this morning.
To dress you, probably.
Yeah. So I'm going to take this leg and go back. I'm not going to bend the knee, and this arm's going to go back like I'm doing the hitchhiker. So opposite. Now, in some ways, standing up is a better way to do it because you're in the upright position.
It's functional.
Yep.
It's how you're going to be during the day.
Right.
So.
Now, the big thing is don't chop these away and you really go fast, because posture is a static thing. We want those muscles to remember they're going to be like this all day long.
And remember, don't do both arms together or both legs.
Yeah. So we
Big
didn't talk
problem.
about, it's actually stretching these muscles.
Yes, it is. And strengthening these muscles at the same
Right.
time.
So you're doing everything together. That's why it's such a wonderful exercise. It does the right
You
thing.
are also, I'm going to add this, Brad.
Okay.
You're stretching your fascia. Your
Ah,
fascia.
yeah.
Or fascia.
Fascia. Is
Right.
it fascia?
I don't know.
And that's all that tissue that holds your
Right,
body
collagen
together.
tissue.
A lot of what am I saying? Pain receptors in there that
Right.
they're finding out now.
Amazing amount of pain receptors, like in your back,
Right.
and everywhere.
Right. So listen to the when's it coming out? Next week?
Yeah, probably next week.
Yeah. Well, this
Yeah.
week is right around Thanksgiving.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So, anyways, if you get bored and you've been eating too much, listen to the podcast.
That's right. All right, that's it, folks.
Take
Remember,
care.
we can fix just about anything
Except for
broken heart.
That's right.
But we're working on it day
Yeah,
and night.
that's
night
right.
and day.
And in the meantime, enjoy your perfect posture and the exercises.